How do we express the concentration of a solution? We have to study how to express the concentration of a solution. So one term we use is molarity. Molarity is represented by the chain M. You might have sometimes learned about this particular concentration chain called molarity. Actually, molarity can be defined as number of moles per liter. Number of moles per liter. So, what is number of moles? How to calculate number of moles of a substance?
Given mass by mole.
See, if we have NaOH, sodium hydroxide, say we have 20 gram of sodium hydroxide. How to calculate the number of moles of sodium hydroxide? Number of moles can be defined as, yes, the given mass divided by molecular mass or molar mass. So what is 20 gram of NaOH in terms of moles? So the given mass is 20. We know the molecular mass of NaOH is the mass of Na is 22.99, oxygen is 16, hydrogen is approximately 1. So the molecular mass of NaOH is 40. We can take it as 40. So 40 gram of NaOH means is 0.5 moles. What about 40 gram of NaOH? So the given mass of NaOH is 40. The molecular mass is 40. So 40 gram of NaOH is 1 mole of NaOH. So now we can see the definition of molarity can be a number of moles per liter. So say we have the 500 ml of water and we are going to dissolve 40 gram of NaOH. Say let's forget 50 ml. We are going to dissolve 40 gram of NaOH in 1 liter of water. So based on the definition of molarity, number of moles, we know molarity according to this definition. Molarity is number of moles per liter. So what is 40 gram of NaOH in terms of moles? We know molarity is number of moles per liter. If I am taking 40 gram of NaOH, so if I have to find the molarity of 40 gram of NaOH dissolved in 1 liter of water, initially I have to calculate the number of moles. We have already discussed that 40 gram of NaOH, if you want to convert it into moles, it is 40 divided by 40, which is the molecular mass of NaOH. So it is 1 moles. So if you are dissolving this 40 gram of NaOH in 1 liter of water, based on this definition of molarity, it is 1 by 1 liter. So the molarity is 1, means 1 mole per. So based on this definition, molarity is number of moles per liter, and number of Say if I have 20 gram of NaOH dissolved in 500 ml of water, I can find the molarity as follows: 20 divided by 20 is the given mass, 40 is the molar mass, right? And we have to calculate. We have converted to liters. So basically, this turns out to be 1000 divided by 5. So what's the value?
One.
What? Yeah. So this is 500 by 62. 2. So this is 1. The molarity is 1. Means 1 mole per liter. 1 mole per liter. So we can generalize this equation as follows: molarity is given mass divided by molecular mass into 1000 by volume. So we get particular value and its unit is mole per. And the second question we have here is, how can we calculate, if you want to prepare a particular concentration of solution, say we want to prepare 1 mole of a particular solution, say NaOH, okay, the NaOH we can take Na2CO. Because NaOH is not a primary standard. We will learn in the next class what is a primary standard. But now let's focus on how can we prepare 1 mole of Na2CO, which is a primary standard. We will understand later why NaOH cannot be used, or why NaOH is not a primary standard. So say if I want to prepare 1 mole of Na2CO3, see, I have to calculate how much gram of Na2CO3 is required to prepare 1 mole of Na2CO3 solution, right? So how can I calculate? How can I calculate the mass of Na2CO3 required to prepare 1 mole of Na2CO3? From this equation, we can write this equation in another way, because if we fix given mass on this side, so we can write molarity into molecular mass into volume divided by 1000 gives mass. So say if we want to prepare a particular molar solution, say 1 molar solution, the molecular mass of Na2CO3 is 106, and if we want to prepare 100 ml of this solution, we can multiply 1 into 106 into 100 by 1000. This gives a particular mass. Means that to prepare 1 molar solution of Na2CO3, we want to prepare 1 molar Na2CO3 solution. We know its molecular mass is 106, and we are going to prepare 100 ml of Na2CO3. So if we multiply these values 10600 by 1000, gram, and if you are dissolving it in a 100 ml standard flask, you can prepare 1 mole of solution of display. So we have learned actually one single equation. It's a very important equation to find out the molarity of the substance. So molarity, as we know, is number of moles per liter. Assume is moles per liter. So we have learned an equation. Molarity is number of moles per liter. Means number of moles is given mass divided by molecular mass. So we can conclude the equation like molarity. Equation for molarity is given mass divided by molecular mass into 1000 by volume. And if you want to calculate the mass of a particular substance required to prepare a particular volume of primary standard, we can use the equation mass is equal to molarity into molecular mass into volume divided by. Is it clear for you?